You're gonna like
All right, let's do this.
Wow.
Aloha everyone, and welcome to today's video here on the big island of Hawaii, Hilo side. My name is Iceland, and on this channel, Treasure Chest Memories, we share adventure videos, family videos, and have product reviews. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check the links down in the description below this video or leave us a comment. We'd love to connect with you there. So this morning we have been recovering from our epic adventure yesterday. We went up to see the lava glowing in the middle of the night up at the crater. And so we got home pretty late. Micah and I, the kids, Lucas and Sindel, are just about ready to head off onto another adventure today and bring you along. There's my Lukey getting some cereal this morning.
Look at these pancakes.
And Henny's down here playing with pancakes. Did you have snowflakes for breakfast?
No. I didn't eat one.
No, you didn't. Do you want to go to the park today with cousins and maybe swim around?
I think I want to go to snow.
Ooh, that does sound like fun, huh?
But why is it not snowing?
It's been raining a lot. Did you see lava last night?
Yeah.
Well, did you like it? What was it doing?
Breaking out of the ground.
Yeah. And what else? Did it glow?
Yeah.
Lucas, did you see the lava last night? Lukey,
Yeah.
did you like it?
I haven't won in the poison mace mob, so I got none of the moonfish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I don't need them.
What was the lava doing last night, Lucas?
Why wasn't it moving?
The lava moving faster?
Why wasn't it moving?
It was moving very slowly. It was bubbling out.
It's in a crater, like in a bowl.
What's going on, Spencer?
Love you. Love you, Lukey. Rainforest, Zoo and Gardens, where I just said to the Rainforest Zoo and Gardens, Sindel.
It's called a Rainforest Zoo.
Cool entryway. What's
Check
there
it
gonna
out.
be?
A tiger.
What do you think you'll see, Lukey?
Alligator.
Did you see a playground over there, Lucas?
Got a spinner.
I wanna go. This is it. I love it. Let's get out. Let's get out.
Okay.
That gray car.
You're gonna like.
All right, let's do this. Gift shop stuff.
Okay, yeah. See him up in there?
Oh, he's beautiful.
Ooh, look at him. Ooh, green, red, blue. What? There's just one. Think that's where he is?
I see the swan. Oh, it's a swan. Oh, the emu. My uncle had these. They tried to ride them. Big black hawk in there. But he's in his cage though, right? What do you think, Lukey? What do you think, buddy? He's gotten really into reading signs now that he can read. So proud of you, Lucas.
I'm doing my nobody knows one.
Yeah, today you've been really quiet, nobody know. That's okay though, bud. No, it's the other tiger. Lukey's wondering about that crocodile.
Yeah.
Oh, he's cool.
Iguana.
Iguana. Eye.
Whoa, look at this guy. Blue
The
guy.
pigeon thing in there, hey?
That's the goon. That's the goon. That's the goon. It's the goon. I found it. A raccoon.
Yeah, he's like a raccoon, but he climbs up trees.
Yeah. Let's go.
The monkeys.
Nice. I think I always liked those ones. Look up there, Lucy. Look at the monkeys. Neat.
On the top.
One's in the water and
Look at them all.
How many are there?
one in the water.
Forest tortoise.
Guys, look at this thing.
I see him.
There we
Got a
red feathers. Bluey.
Remember coyote? Come on, Henny.
He's got
don't
a
be in the
big
road.
tail.
Where's alligator?
There's a peacock.
You guys want to sit up? Look at him.
Yeah, right
Say
here.
chomp. Say.
Another emu, huh, right?
Yeah. They get their fur and they can make coats with their feathers. See the little goatees, Henny?
Piggies.
He's gonna talk. See him?
Yeah.
Come here, Loki. He's over here.
Sindel.
Oh, good.
So cool to see a big bird like that. Incredibly steep.
Which way are we going? We're going that way because it's dark.
I think it goes both ways.
Let's go.
Look at the cave floor. It's like interesting. Does it look like fossils?
Oh, look at that house.
It's just lava.
Look at that house.
Ooh, deep dark cave.
I want to go.
Louie wants to venture. Sindel, wait.
Get your Rooney. That's why he wants to. He's never gotten hurt.
How far do you want to go, Lukey? It's not lit like the other one.
To me. Be careful. We don't have to try to be fast. Hands on the rocks, Henny.
Lucas, can you do it? What do you got?
I got Arrow.
What does she do? Do your sweet little ah. Lukey, what does yours say?
Mine say hi.
Talk like Mario, Lukey. Say it.
She says,
Mario time.
Mario.
Yeah.
Now do a Mamma Mia.
Mamma mia.
This is her turn. This is her turn.
Good little rewards.
Yeah.
Can I have another one?
Yep.
Need to be making dinner.
The rainbow as we're headed home.
Over our head. It's too bad it's
You
just
wanted
power
it.
line heaven.
I
Yeah.
can't see, Mommy.
Look straight
Look out the
ahead.
window, Henny. Look up. You see it?
We were given some of these amazing smelling flowers, and when we came in today, it smelled so good. How pretty they are. Did we make it home?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have a fun day adventuring?
Yeah.
Good job today.
Thank you very much for watching. See you next one.
If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up.
The other one.
Aloha!
Hello.